Okay, welcome back to the channel. We have got a really exciting one today. What are we doing?
The car's getting new shoes.
So like Lauren said, the car is eventually getting new shoes. Now, if you saw in the last episode, we did actually install the IBAC lowering kit onto the Up GTI, and yeah, it's riding well, isn't it?
Yeah.
What do you think of the IBAC kit?
Yeah, I like it. A little cheap upgrade that's, you know.
Yeah, how much did it cost you?
70-80 quid.
78 quid, that's the one. And basically it has lowered the Up GTI 15mm all round and has improved the handling absolutely no end. But there is still one thing that we do need to address on this car which lets it down from factory, and that is
the rubbish tyres.
The rubbish tyres. So from factory it comes with these Goodyear efficient grips. I don't know whose idea it was to put these tyres on the car, but hopefully they're sacked.
Yeah.
They're not amazing, so what we've done is we've got some new wheels and we're going to upgrade the rubber at the same time. So, Lauren, do you want to show the people the wheels? Yes. Or not? Or shall we take them inside and then show them? Little sneak peek. Whoa! Whoa! So the first thing we're going to do is get the wheels out of the car, bring them in here, and we just need to do a couple of things, get some of the tyre slime off, and we need to wax the wheels and stuff like that before we're putting them on the car. So I'll bring them in now and then we'll run through where we've got them from, what the decision was to get them, what tyres we've got, why we went with them, and all that sort of thing. So I will get the tyres out of the car now. Hopefully Lauren will give me a hand. Will you give me a hand? Yeah, she'll give me a hand. We'll bring them in here, we'll get them cleaned up, and then we'll start explaining some stuff. Here we go.
God, this is probably a blast from the past in here.
I know, yeah. This is like polo days, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're undercover out of the rain because, like always, standard February weather and it is absolutely tipping it down. We've got the wheels inside and we need to just give them a quick clean up, but before that, Lauren is going to explain to you a little bit about the wheels and why she chose them. So, yeah. What size are they?
17s.
Why did you choose 17s?
Because I think they look better than 60s.
Yeah, no, that's fair
much.
enough. That is fair
I think
enough.
16s look tiny on it, so yeah, I like the fitment better.
Yeah, so part of getting new wheels was I did suggest that we get some 16s with chunkier tyres. Lauren was not having it at all, not at all. Wanted 17s, and then yeah, we've ended up with almost the same profile tyres. Lauren is going to explain to you what she's bought. What have you got?
So I've got OZ Racing Ultra Leggera 17x7.
We'll have to show them yet.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, go on then. So like Lauren just said, we've got the OZ Ultra Legeras, an absolute classic wheel in my opinion. You see them on loads of cars, but they are just one of the nicest wheels available. I've got them in 17x7, obviously a little bit wider than the stock wheels. And then we've also got some new tyres. We bumped it up from a 195 to a 205, still a 40 profile, but it should be a little bit bigger rolling radius, hopefully fill some of that arch gap. But yeah, do you know what tyres you've got?
Yeah.
Go on.
I've got the Pilot Sport 205.
Pilot Sport 5s.
Oh,
yeah. So there we go, the brand new OZ. Well, I say brand new. They're not brand new, are they?
No, they're not brand new.
Yeah. So the story behind these was we got them in quite a bad way. It was a very lucky find, to be honest, but yeah, they weren't very good. I will overlay any sort of pictures that I've got just of the condition. I definitely took some pictures, so I'll put them in here and you can see what they started like. They did have tyres, but they weren't very good. These are basically as close to the original that we can get, so Lauren will just show you. I don't know if you can see sort of the metallic flake in them, but yeah, they're really metallic and yeah, a really nice colour. Bright silver, I think it's going to suit the car. So what have we got to do next?
Clean them.
So yeah, effectively we need to go around and just get all this sort of like tyre slime off them. And then the next thing that we need to do after that is
put the sealant on.
That's it. We've got some poor boys wheel sealant. Big shout out to Ed for letting us borrow some of this. So we're going to get some of this on. What does it smell like? Does it smell good?
Oh wow, I wasn't expecting it to be bright pink.
Yeah. So that is what we're going to be putting on the wheels. So yeah, cut to a time lapse of us cleaning them, waxing them, and then we'll get them in the car.
Yeah.
And that is us completely done with the wheels. You can see them down there looking amazing. Lauren is currently just trying to figure out what colour centre cap she wants. What are you thinking?
I don't know, I feel like we should keep, like, this is what the wheels came with, but I just feel, I don't know whether to keep it the same and just get some fresh ones, or my idea was, I quite liked the idea of like having maybe black to just set it off a little bit better, and like the red writing to like match the GTI like little bits on the car, but I don't know.
So drop a comment what you think. We are just going to get stickers, to be honest, to put over these. We've got original OZ centre caps. If you've had these wheels before in a second hand or whatnot, you'll know that all the carbon fibre sort of like blisters on them. They're about 80 quid for a full set of centre caps, which I don't know, I'm not feeling. Are you feeling?
It's
yeah.
not worth it if we're going to do that.
Exactly. So I think we're just going to get some stickers. So let us know. We might just get another set of the standard stickers, but they're only about 8 quid for a set of stickers. So you could even get a couple of sets, couldn't you?
Yeah.
And figure out which ones you like. So drop a comment down below which ones you guys think would look the best, or what you've got on your car, and I think that's it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Ready to fit them. We have also just fitted, if you look at the back of this one here, we have also fitted the spigot rings, as you can see there. So we've got full spigot rings, make sure they're sitting sort of central on the wheel. But yeah, I just can't believe them, they're so nice. I'm extremely jealous, I've always wanted a set of these for my car, and yeah, it's, Lauren's beat me to it.
Unlucky, pal. Let's get them on the car. Get the shoes on.
Okay, the weather has taken a turn from the worst. Oh yeah. Lauren is doing the final touches. What are you doing?
Tyre shining. Or Shire tining.
Shire tining? Alright. You done that before?
Oh yeah. I'm a detailer, me. Don't get the shoes in.
Very nice. Yeah, look good then. Right. Let's get them on the car. That's literally how high it was before we lowered it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Can we do 2 at once, do you reckon? I reckon so. Alright, well.
Go for it.
There we go. Keep them in a safe place. Shall we do it first, this one?
Yeah. Goodbye, old wheel. It was nice knowing you.
Certainly was.
So is it the one without the dust caps?
Without the dust cap. Why is that? Why is that front?
Oh, because of the weight's different, like.
Less weight.
Yeah, less weight.
Yeah, less weight, done it. Whoa! Oh, you've slimed them up. Why is it raining? Why is it raining? Oh, this is your centre cap one as well.
You what?
First one with a centre cap.
I'm excited.
Lovely stuff. It's gonna look mega, isn't it?
Yeah. Ah! Bye.
Bye. You didn't get a little answer for these. Whoops. Oh yeah, it's alright. Go on then.
There we go. Oh. It looks good. Right, let's get the other two on.
Yeah.
I'll see you after this. They look sick. Nice. I can't believe it. I'm so happy. Yeah. They look so good. They just make the car look so different. I can't believe it. Shh. I know they're good. Winter wheels now, aren't you?
Winter wheels, diamond cut winter wheels, can you believe that? Cool, right, what we'll do now then, I know Lauren's giving you a quick glance around the car, but it's very rainy, it's very cold, my hands are about to fall off, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut to having cleaned the car, everything being shiny, and yeah, show you it there. Let's go. And there we go, just like that, the up is ready to go. We've got Lauren here after doing her makeup, looking lovely as always. But yeah, the up is back on the ground. I've watched it this morning, so here we go. The first look at the up with the new wheels on. I think it looks mint. What do you reckon?
Yes, I love it.
Right, let's go. So there we go, that is what the up is looking like at the moment, and yeah, they look unreal. They do fill the arches just a little bit more than the old ones. I'll show you the other side. Oh, it is a bit dark though, to be honest. But yeah, overall, looks absolutely mega. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
Interesting. Interesting as ever, yeah, nice one. So yeah, happy days, that's what the rear's sitting like. All good. So there we go, that is the up completely sorted. Wheels on, what do you reckon?
Yes, I love it. I love it so much. It looks so different with them on.
It does. It looks much more up to date, much less standard.
Like what you do there.
What, up to date? That's it. But yeah, it looks a lot more sort of like motorsporty, a lot less standard. That's what you'd like, wasn't it? The standard look. So yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Sorry it's been a little bit of a delay getting this video out. We have, in fact, we had a little leak, didn't we? Somebody posted, if you're on the Up Owners Club, somebody did actually manage to get a photo of the car out in the wild before I managed to even get this video out. So yeah, shout out James Lees who managed to do that. And yeah, really happy with them. So, what should they do?
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
And
comment what you think.
yeah.
I mean, it's obviously just going to be that the wheels look mint, but yeah, apart from that, subscribing is the main thing.
Yeah.
Right, take it away.
Bye.
See you in the next video.